Welcome this video enhance your outdoor space covered patio decoration idea. A covered patio is a vertical outdoor space that often shelter from the elements while provide a choosing and invite area for relax and entertainment, whether you look to create a tranquil retreat or a live gardening decoration, your covered patio can transforming it into an extension for your home living space. Here we explored various ideas and tips to help your decor, design, and decoration. Your patio covered to sub your style and need. Define your purpose before divide into decoration. Consider how to stand to use your patio covered patio. It's primary for log and read. Do you plan to hold dining and board? Understanding its primary functional well. Yes, your design, choose and layout decoration. Choose appropriate furniture. Select the right furniture is choosing from both comfort and style. Other from weather consist material such as task and up iron that can withstood outdoor consider price that are easy to clean and maintain and then provide a pro set and long other for your instant use dining other. If you plan studio on your patio. Choose a dining set that accommodate your need, a study table with comfortable chair or branch work well from both metal and from gathering. Add comfort with textile, incorporating textile to add comfort and style to your covered patio. Outdoor ring. Define your space and add warmth with an outdoor rung. Choose a material that can withstand the elements and other fall pattern and color that complement your outdoor decor. Create ambience with light. Lights can come transforming your covered patio for day and night. Overhead light. Consider install a combo fan with inside lights and deepen light from ambience. Illuminate. Choose fix that can stick for outdoor use and comfort. Complement your patio style. String lights. Add a warm touch string light account that among that pyramid of your patio salt power other for energy effect and easy to install. Bright nature in incorporating elements of nature that enhance the beauty of your outdoor space. Plant and gardening. Pots, plants, and bring and vertical gardening can add color and textile for your patio. Choose plant that rank in your climax and consider around and for both prove appear use water functional incorporating a smart functional or water to create a smoke ambience. This sound of follow water can wax and create a tranquil atmosphere. Add functional and decoration element. Choose incorporating functionally and decoration elements that represent your personal style. Outdoor art and water artwork sting to personally your patio and create vertical interior.